Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power. A GPS won't boot without stable 12V and a good fuse. Once done, inspect cables for corrosion or pin damage because loose contacts cause resets. Remove any SD or SIM cards and reset them to rule out read errors. While you're doing this, keep the car ignition an accessory so the device can attempt a full boot. These quick checks eliminate simple faults and let you proceed to software fixes with confidence. Now you move to software. Backup preferences and saved routes since updates can reset settings. Then download the exact firmware and map files from the manufacturer and copy them to the SD or USB. Mismatched files cause bricking. Insert media, boot into safe or recovery update mode, follow on-screen prompts, and don't interrupt power during installation because incomplete writes corrupt the unit. Once the update finishes, reboot and let the system rebuild its cache. That often restores lost satellites and improves routing accuracy. Finish by calibrating sensors and checking antenna alignment. Incorrect orientation or a damaged antenna blocks satellite signals. Then perform a short drive test to verify steady satellite lock and accurate turn-by-turn guidance. If map mismatches or freezes remain, perform a factory reset after saving backups, because corrupted settings often hide deeper issues. If the unit still fails, swap the antenna or consult the dealer for module replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.